Says Dreamer by David L. Phelps, dedicated November 3rd, 1991. He looks pretty relaxed and happy there. Well, good morning, boys and girls. As you can see, we're back at the Civic Center park area of Palm Desert. So we're going to walk around some more here. It's actually the same day, just making a different video. Instead of having one big one, we're kind of divided up here a little bit. So you can hear the waterfall. That's what we're by. I'm talking a little bit louder than normal. So let's go ahead and see what this area of the park brings us. Let's go on a little trip. So here's this waterfall, and this is at the end of the lagoon that we were at a little while ago. I think the memorial, Holocaust Memorial, is right on the other side of this, so let's walk over there. That was the main purpose of this video for today anyway, was the memorial. So let's go back by our sleeping friend here. And we'll carry on this way. You know me and palm trees. I like palm trees. And a whole bunch of them together. Okay, let's head over here. Yeah, this must be the memorial over here. There's people sitting down. Let's go over this way. Oh yeah, this is it. I don't think there is a main entrance. Here's the memorial wall. So I'll get in here where you guys can stop it and then read it. And there's the other side. And here it says followers. Okay. Okay. Let's go see what the front of this is. So down here it says Desert. Everything's supposed to be straight, but it's not. Here's some more.
But if I don't pay this now, I have to pay later. So that makes sense. Is that why you have to pay some back?
to get that in. Don't worry about it next time.
Wait, can I see it one more time? So.
I think there's some on the other side too. There's this one here.
Okay, yeah.
I'm still gonna refund it. It's in the fucking property.
And there's this part
Either
here.
way, it's not.
Morning.
Alright.
Hey. There's this thing here.
It's funny too because they were talking about like interviews for people again.
And then the memorial itself is right here. So we'll spend some time looking at this. And then here, oh, it has the, let's go around. This is Hungary, 450,000. Romania, 187,000. Here's a map here. Here's more of the statue. Lithuania, 143,000. Latvia, 71,000. It's probably at night because they have lights, it looks like, in here. France, 83,000. Holland, 106,000. So they must be a certain type, because it was 6 million altogether. So. It's got Greece, 65,000. Austria, 65,000. Germany, 125,000. And Soviet Union, 1,460,000. Czechoslovakia, 200,000. So we'll go over here. Liberation. And we'll get a little closer here. This is by Dwight D. Eisenhower. Liberation. The things I saw beggared description. And then here's another mural here. So we can get all this in. And here. Oh, I just now noticed that. These pillars, those are the electrified fences that go up. I just now noticed that. So this is all around the outside of it. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one. I think we will stop it here for today. I hope that everybody found this informative and to never forget. It's a small memorial, but it's pretty effective, I think. So I hope everybody liked the video, and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down and subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. So I'll go ahead and sign off now.